How to animate any character with Wiggle AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up wiggle.ai and then click on this option of join the beta version, and it would take you to Discord. Just simply accept their invite and open up your Discord. So this is the prompt that we would be requiring in order to animate our character. So after opening up, on the left hand side panel of your Discord, you should be able to see different creator rooms. Over here, join any of the room, and in the message simply type / then select the option of animate. Now it would ask you to upload or drag and drop any character of yours. Then you would be requiring to type the prompt, like I typed this particular prompt in order to create this particular motion or animate the character. So this was the image, and it created this backstage entry video for it, and it was quite cool. And in the fine tune, you can just simply go with the on and off in case if you want to go with the additional or better fine tuning of your character, then go with the on option, otherwise go with the off. And you can also select different backgrounds to it, like whether you want a white background, green background, or from the template. Just select it accordingly, and after that you would be able to get good results. And this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.